Good morning, everybody. Been a couple of days since the last video y'all seen. Whenever I left that store, last time I left here, I decided not to post a video from it because it was just a shaky mess. And, but basically, when I left Bears Den the last time, this car on Route 7 wasn't paying attention and about ran me over. She about wrecked, fishtailed in the road and everything, and then blew my tire. Sorry, I had somebody come up to help me by and everything. But yeah, when I left J&J store, I had to be on Route 7 again for 0.6. 0.2 before I got to my turn. This car, I just seen the person right just out of my side vision. Seen the car coming right towards me. I'm off the road in the side. This car is off the lines and in the lane where I'm at, heading towards the ditch. I don't know if they was texting or what. I go off the road, go into this little ditch thing, pops my tire, and the car fishtails. I guess when I turned, she seen the movement and realized it was going off the road. He or she turned, fishtailed again back in the road, about wrecked, and then got back under control and just kept on going, didn't even stop. What's up, everybody? Just leaving the village market, and these people are just amazing. And I just gotta give a huge shout out to them and Glenn at Bears Den. Bears Den would not take my money. He just let me camp for free the last 2 days. And I came down here yesterday to get some smokes, and then they all told me to come down here for breakfast in the morning. And I did, and they didn't charge me a thing. But yeah, getting all packed up and getting ready to go. We gotta get back on Route 7, unfortunately, for about 3 or 4 miles. And then we'll get going. I did off Route 7. Them mountains up there. Just found a spot on the side of the road that's pretty wide open, and for once there isn't any no trespassing signs. So I'm just sitting here taking a break, and yeah, I've gone about 20.5 or so far. It's about 12:30. So just sit down here, ate a few snacks and stuff, and got some water down, and yeah, we got about 15 miles or so to turn to get me to Stephen City. What's up, everybody? Sorry I hadn't recorded much last little bit. Just been on busy, well, not really busy roads, just narrow roads with a lot of traffic. So really had to pay attention to what I was doing, and it's just been a lot of steep up and downs on a couple of them, and yeah, a lot of pushing the bike off and on today. But legs are definitely starting to get a little bit stronger again though. So we'll get there. But man, it's an absolutely beautiful spot right here. But we got about 4.5 to our turn. What's up, everybody? So just that sunset's gonna be awesome. But got to where am I at? Whatever town this is. I said it earlier. But yeah, whatever town this is, made it to the hotel, and yeah, I am tired. Did about almost 40 miles today, and yeah, a lot of up and down, about 2,800 feet or so. So walking over here, trying to decide if I want Taco Bell or McDonald's, because they're both fairly cheap. Especially if you probably going to McDonald's, because I got a bunch of points, and I can get a bunch of stuff for like $10. So that's probably what we're going to do. And there's a Shell station right beside there. So yeah, I'll get back to y'all here after a while.